Alright, what are we doing?
Taking apart this vice that we bought at auction.
Is this one of the, what's the name of the company?
Kurt Vice? Yeah, it's a Kurt Vice.
Yeah, it's Kurt. And we stupidly picked these up at auction, right?
Nice and cheap. Now they just hold down the bench.
Yeah. Someday we might use one. They're up on Craigslist right now.
If we got a really, really big mill, we might use this one. One of the three we picked up, we did use for the mill.
Yeah. What? Oh, that takes the fixed part off.
Yeah, those bolts were like rusted in there or something. Or maybe they were Loctited and I had to heat them up to get them to loosen.
Is Loctited a word?
I hope so.
And you got your Allen wrench set screw.
Mm-hmm. Inside that is a little flat bearing. You can see it on there. Those are neat, but not very sturdy. You have to be gentle with them because the little rollers will fall out.
This is not like those videos where people like refurbish stuff. It's still going to look very, very used after you're done.
Mm-hmm.
So I just
because I didn't take out the polishing compound or anything.
I just wanted to say that to anybody who was expecting this to look like really, really good.
Yeah, I didn't.
It's going to be all clean and
accurate, probably.
Yeah.
But I didn't weld in the holes or anything that the last guys left, where they drilled into the vise itself.
You mean like the jaw, right?
No, on the bottom where the jaw rides,
yeah.
They drill into that a couple times.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
I'm sure it doesn't really affect much. Oh yeah, is that one of the holes right there?
Yep. That tap set is so annoying because if you open it up, it'll all just fall out.
Yeah, I know. I hate it too. Was that it? Oh.
No.
Would you pause it?
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to be able to.
In here.
You're going to have to pause it in the video when you go to make the video now, or the sound will all be out of sync.
They'll be fine.
That's a lot of acetone. You spilt acetone on my concrete.
Mm-hmm.
Quit that.
You never noticed.
The first thing that happened with this is it got a whole bunch of sawdust on it.
Yeah, but I oiled it before I put it there, so it's not been a problem. You can see I put a lot of oil on it.
Holy mackerel. It actually looks better than I thought it was going to look. I think the picture on Craigslist doesn't do it justice, though.
Michael joined me in the shop for a little while.
I see that. He's really helping you out there.
Yeah.
All right. There we go. I think we get it. So then you're gonna put the jaw in there, and that's pretty much gonna be it, right?
Yeah, I think we're missing the jaws on one of them.
Oh, this is a different one.
Yeah, this is the little one.
It switched out. I didn't even notice. All right.